What if your vacuum is the reason your home never feels truly clean? If you're tired of dust, pet hair, and weak suction, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 vacuums that deliver powerful cleaning performance, smart features, and great value for money. Stay tuned to discover which one is the perfect fit for your home. Product number 1. Shark NV352 Navigator Liftaway Upright Vacuum. The Shark NV352 is a simple upright vacuum that is easy to use in many homes. It has strong suction and a lift-away mode. You can press a button and lift the main pod to clean stairs or shelves. It has a HEPA filter. It can trap dust so the air stays clean. It also has swivel steering so you can turn it with ease. This helps in tight spots or around chairs. The long cord lets you clean a wide area without moving the plug. The wide tools help with sofa fabric and corners. The vacuum works well on carpet and on bare floors. It is light for an upright model. You can store it without trouble. Pros: good suction on carpet and floors. Lift-away mode adds simple extra use. Cons: it has a cord, so you must plug it in. It's for people who want a strong and simple upright unit that can clean well in any room. Final verdict: a solid and easy pick for homes that need strong cleaning every day. Product number 2. Cordless Stick Vacuum 50 kPa 600W Upgraded Model. The Uesogi X9 Turbo is a cordless stick vacuum with strong power and simple use. It has a 600W motor. It can pull in dust with up to 50 kPa of force. It also has a fast pull ring mode that makes it even stronger for thick carpet. It runs for up to 70 minutes. This is good for large rooms. It can stand on its own when you stop. The touch screen shows the mode and the battery. The 1.8L dust cup holds a lot, so you do not need to empty it often. The V-shaped brush helps stop hair from wrapping. It moves under tables with its bright lights. It also has an 8-layer filter that helps keep the air clean. Pros: strong power for deep dirt, long run time for big rooms. Cons: a bit heavy for some users. It's for people who want a cordless model with strong power and long run time for pets and daily mess. Final verdict: a strong and simple cordless pick that works well in most homes. Product number 3. Shark NV356E Navigator Liftaway Upright Vacuum. The Shark NV356E is an upright vacuum with strong suction and a lift-away pod. You press a button and lift the pod to clean stairs or tall spots with ease. It has a HEPA filter that helps trap dust in the unit. The anti-allergen seal keeps dirt inside. This helps people with dust or pet issues. The swivel steering lets you turn the vacuum with small moves. It has a large dust cup so you can clean more area in one run. It works on carpet and hard floors. It also has tools for tight edges and for sofa fabric. The power stays strong as you clean. Many homes use it for heavy daily work. Pros: strong suction for thick carpet, good seal to keep dust in. Cons: it is a little heavy compared to small units. It's for people who want a strong upright model that can help with dust, pets, and deep cleaning. Final verdict: a good all-around unit with strong cleaning and simple use. Product number 4. Dyson V8 Plus Cordless Vacuum. The Dyson V8 Plus is a cordless vacuum that is light and very easy to use. It can clean carpet and hard floors. It has 2 power modes. One mode is for daily use. The other is for deep spots. It can run for up to 40 minutes. The motor bar head helps stop hair from wrapping around the brush. You can also change it into a small handheld unit. This is good for stairs or car seats. It comes with tools for dust, cracks, and soft areas. The unit is light so you can lift it high or low with no strain. It is simple to store on the wall dock. Pros: light and easy to lift, simple to switch to handheld use. Cons: shorter run time than some new models. It's for people in small or mid-size rooms who want fast and easy cordless cleaning. Final verdict: a light and simple vacuum that is great for fast tasks and small homes. Product number 5. ElecKeys 600W 50 kPa Cordless Stick Vacuum. The ElecKeys K10 is a cordless vacuum with a 600W motor and up to 50 kPa suction. It runs for up to 70 minutes. This helps clean large areas. It has a self-standing frame, so you can stop at any time. The LED screen shows power and mode. The V-shaped brush helps keep hair from wrapping. It works on carpet, tile, wood floors, and more. The large 1.8L dust cup holds a lot. The 7-stage filter helps keep the air clear. You can take off the parts with one press and use the vacuum as a small handheld unit. It has tools for pets, corners, sofas, and cars. The unit makes low noise. It also cleans itself for a short time when you turn it off. This helps keep the brush clear. Pros: long run time and strong pull, many tools for many spots. Cons: the battery needs time to charge, it's for people who want strong cordless power for big rooms and pet care. Final verdict: a full-feature cordless model that gives great value and easy daily use. I share helpful videos for you every day. So don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.